actually go for this house, bruv.
I am. This is what I think about. Aaron, you're supposed to be the dumb one, not me. I'm safe in the safe zone. Did you play without me, you stupid little shit?
Ding ding.
Ah!
Oh no, I walked outside my boundary. I walked outside.
How do you still hit me? Nope. You are not good with the source
I
ball.
took no damage. I literally. What are you?
How the hell did you send me flying, bro?
I took no damage.
Only illegal. Ah! No, I want my shulk hands back. I'll do it. I'll do it. Oh, shulk. Who taught you that song?
You did last night when you were drunk and playing with them kids in the basement.
Oh!
Get
away from me, Darren, get away from me. No!
But I launched you so hard flying and Honk Glove went over there.
Illegal. No, Darren, no. How the hell are you so good at this?
A bit of
Darren!
Uh-oh.
You can't get me in here!
Bro's really doing that.
Magaling na kami na malay na. Kung na tayo na pagkadimatay na. Peace bomb?
Peach pan. Told you that.
Peace bomb?
No.
Peace bomb?
No.
Peace. Oh.
Come out
Peach
here,
bomb?
pussy.
No, I'm about to die. No, you come here, pussy.
Give me a sec.
No, 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 give me a sec. You just reset my timer. You little bitch.
Get around.
I love you, Daddy. We both said that.
Wait, there's a lab!
Yeah, there is. Over there. Over there.
Where?
There. That's a lab. Dumbass.
Oh. Shut up. You are. Darren? Darren! Let's go, mate.
Illegal.
Take the freedom out. That's mean. You're mean. Okay, come on, let's go.
Oh, now you're wed. Now you're fucked up.
Oh fuck. No! Ah! No, please, Sarah, please. I will do anything.
Wait, you do anything?
Yes, anything, Darren.
Suck my wing.
Ah! No, anything but that.
Hot two on that thing.
No! You weirdo! Why'd you? I'm getting
You have
better,
learned
you
the
stupid.
martial arts.
Shut up.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Ah! Noni.
Jesus. I'm depressed.
No!
Don't run away.
Darren! Get them back right now, Darren.
Did you see the gloves touch each other and they just went everywhere?
There's one of my gloves. I'm so sorry, Darwin. Illegal.
That's what I'm rubbing right now. In real life.
Your balls.
Not just that.
Your wiener.
Not just that.
You have a vagina?
What?
Yeah, into a door, Darwin, you fucking retard.
Really? You
No,
really
no,
want to say that in front of my face? You really want to say that?
Darren! I'm reporting you for harassment!
I'll give it back.
Then give me my Hulk hands. The only thing that I have in life right now. Because I'm broke. No,
Spider.
no, give me back my Hulk hand.
Spider-Man. Like,
You
whatever.
fucking retard. You were so quick to get that.
So swift.
I wonder what I could do to like a monster.
Let's go.
Let's go, yeah. I'm a huge. Oh yeah, Vector!
That sounded so good. Did you see me go, oh?
Yeah. No! Oh yeah, Vector! Go in with the sauce.
I ran out of ammo.
No! Illegal.
Gloves.
Yeah, I have to look after you! Darren, I literally have to look after you 24/7. Oh my god, what the hell? She's actually scared me.
Quick reaction.
Yes!
I'm running out of ammo. You're not getting again.
You're handicapped.
And what's that supposed to mean?
You're not giving me your
Watch me.
illegal. You're one witness. Illegal.
Are we killing the chicken or not? Let's go.
Okay, let's go kill the chicken with the Hulk hands. Okay, I need to stop acting stupid. You're doing something to me.
Yeah, you need to stop. Because I'm the main character, not. Well, you are the main character. I'm just the meme attraction here.
Yeah, you're literally just the meme. You're the meme.
Your most popular video, short actually, was the one with me in it when we first met.
All of them were the ones reviewing it. Okay. You're very intellectual species. Wait, what is the hell is that? Is that corn? Yeah, you gotta get the corn. Oh, my bad, it's not corn, it's just a ducky. No! Get the egg! Lonely down, but not that lonely.
He is a demogorgon slash demon slash bad boy.
Slash bad boy. Okay, fine. Fine, Darren. You want me to be back to normal. You're gonna have to sacrifice funny me.
Can I just get one last look?
What have you done to this area? I was asleep for a few months and this is all you've done?
I can't amend that. I had sex with a skull. Anyway, you came so long.
Oh my god. What the hell is this?